My name is Frank Mansueto, and I'm one of the founders of Mainline Agency. Mainline Agency specializes in groups of sole proprietors all the way to nonprofit organizations. We can insure groups of under 50 employees or over 1,000 employees. I established Mainline in 1986 in Comac, New York. And I took all that I learned as an agent for 15 years and incorporated only the companies that were the most competitive and the highest level of service. I do what is best for my client. In fact, I represent them. I'm not an agent of an insurance company. I'm their broker. I represent their needs and their benefits. The way we usually get started with new accounts is we initially review the benefits that are in force, because we want to make sure the new customer or the new account understands exactly what they have and what they're paying for. And then we do side-by-side presentations in a simplified manner, so that way they can see the structure of the plan and how the benefits work side by side and the amounts of money that each product costs. We're able to provide above and beyond the comparison of benefits. We're able to do things after the case is written. For example, we have a claims department and they call us directly, and we have an account representative assigned to them specifically, and they know them by their name rather than by their account. And that's very important, because whoever handles the employee benefits can now basically enjoy the core business rather than spending the time handling claims and enrolling employees. We feel that our responsibility to retain your business and distinguish ourselves from other people is to provide that added benefit. Now, if you have to enroll somebody brand new, a new employee, we come down and we explain the benefits to that employee, and we go over the choices that they have. Employers come to Mainline Agency primarily because they've been referred to us by satisfied customers. And they seem satisfied because we've helped them with problems, their claims, their billing problems, and we provided them unlimited customer service.
We enjoy working with Mainline Agency because they provide us with top-notch customer service. Frank is always available at a moment's notice, either via phone or via email, and they provide us with the service that we need to service our employees. Healthcare is an enormous expense for any small business, even large businesses today, and Mainline helps us analyze our current carrier and other carriers to figure out which carrier will provide us with the best service that we need.
One of the particular issues with regard to church finances is that we are dependent upon the giving of the individual parishioners. And so for us, the change in the economy and what is given and entrusted to us, we feel we have a great deal of responsibility. And so when the cost of health care grew, Frank was able to sit down with us and say, here are the new options. And we were able to then even go to the congregation and say, this is the best course of action, this is how we're using the money that you're giving us. Year after year, he's really been right there, even before the end of our fiscal year, say, all right, we're looking at this next year, and is everything good? Is the plan that you're on sufficient for you? Do you have any changing employees? Things of that sort. So he was really right up on top of each of our particular needs.
My father and mother, John and Grace Latrario, started Fiberama in 1957. At that time, they used my uncle as an insurance agency. When my brothers and myself incorporated in 1995, we needed somebody that we could trust the way my father trusted my uncle. When I met in Mainline, Frank personally came over to see me in off hours, late in the evening. He went way out of his way to come and speak to me. He gave us options that made us very, very comfortable. For a successful company, you have to be comfortable in your shoes. With the insurance that Mainline provides us, my family is very comfortable, and that does help us succeed. We don't have to worry about certain needs. That's what Frank does for me.
My name is Frank Mansueto with Mainline Agency, and it's been a pleasure to be able to service my accounts.